Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Franklin tee, if I can show it to you. So this is a baseball tee. We bought it for my son who absolutely loves baseball, and I love everything about this. It's really versatile. The tee part itself, you can either use it as a standard tee, which you just set the baseball on top of like that, or you can use this little attachment, and it comes with another piece. You just hook it on like this and it will dangle the ball a little bit lower and make it easier for them to hit if they're a little bit newer or younger to baseball. It does adjust in height. The standard tee goes from 25 inches to 36. If you're using the hanging tee, it goes from 18 to 25. So really, really nice and great for all ages. It does have this little sticky pad right here where you can just keep the balls. It comes with 4 of these, and it also comes with a plastic bat to hit with. Super adjustable, or super easy to adjust. It also has this base that is an X form, so it's not going to tip over. It also has a flex joint, so it's really high impact. It's not going to tip, it's not going to break. It's really, really built well. My son has absolutely loved it. He's been using this for months in our backyard, and he's gotten even better at hitting the ball. He just thinks it is the funnest thing ever. So it was super easy to assemble. It only took my husband and I a couple minutes, and we have just loved it. So if you have a little baseball fan or somebody who likes to hit baseballs, I think this would be absolutely perfect. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.